Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Jessica
and I'm Jennifer.
As you guys know, we've been doing an Ayurvedic series. So today we're talking to you guys about our Ayurvedic hair growth oil. So if you'd like to find out all about this, stay tuned.
So guys, Ayurveda literally means a holistic approach to our health and well-being. It emphasizes on your health internally and externally, and the prevention of illnesses through lifestyle practices and herbal remedies. In that sense, Ayurveda typically is the maintenance of our health and bodies with the use of herbal remedies like plants.
Basically, in this video, each Ayurveda property that we use is made from a plant and is ground up, and we use it in the oils to make the growth oil mix.
Yes, so typically all of the ingredients are really organic and natural. They are either made of powder, seeds, or actual plants.
So basically, the first Ayurvedic powder that we'll be using in our hair growth oil mix is Amla powder. So the Amla powder is derived from a fruit, and this fruit is also called the Indian gooseberry. It's derived from India from a tree called the Amalaki tree.
So the Amla fruit contains a lot of vitamin C, antioxidants, and minerals.
From research on Ayurvedic medicine, Amla has been linked to boosting hair growth and improving hair health, and also keeping parasites away from the hair.
Also, the mice test was applied with Amla oil for about 15 days. Amla oil was applied and coated on the mice, and they were known to actually have an increase in fur growth, which is gross, but Amla oil actually works. So the next Ayurvedic property is Neem powder. Neem powder is actually derived from a tree. It's popularly known to also be from India, and this tree has lots of properties that treat ailments and help with your well-being.
This leaves can also be found in our country, Nigeria, and it's called the dongoyaro plant. And basically they ground it up and they use it as powder or a paste.
So the neem powder is actually known to cure eczema, scabies, dandruff.
So a few benefits are: it helps to improve hair growth, it helps with dandruff, it helps to prevent lice, itchiness, it conditions the hair, and it also helps to prevent premature graying. So our next Ayurvedic property is Fenugreek, and as you guys know, we love Fenugreek. We've done a ton of Fenugreek videos. We'll link them in the description down below. Basically, Fenugreek is derived from India as well, and is derived from methi seeds. I think we've shown you guys before.
It's also called methi
Some seeds, and they smell like maple syrup.
Yes.
So we just basically soak the seeds in the carrier oil of your choice, and you have your Fenugreek oil after a few days.
Fenugreek is generally known to be a growth booster and to have hair thickening properties.
Fenugreek contains high amounts of lecithin, which is known to strengthen the hair and boost hair growth.
Seeds also help condition the hair. It gives it some shine and moisture, and it takes away any dandruff that you may have on your scalp. So the fourth Ayurvedic property in this hair growth oil is one of our personal favorites as well, and this is Chebe.
Yes.
We've done tons of videos about this on Chebe mask and Chebe oil and everything about Chebe in between. Chebe is derived from Chad. A lot of Chadian women have such long hair and have maintained it by using Chebe powder.
Chebe is basically historically known to grow the hair of Chadian women. You guys have seen the images. They usually have long hair all the way down to their waist and their back, and it helps to strengthen the hair. Another thing Chebe is amazing for is length retention. It retains length. So as your hair usually breaks up, every day you lose some strands, but when you use Chebe, it really minimizes how fast your hair breaks off.
So now we are done with the 4 Ayurvedic properties in this hair growth oil, and now we are moving on to the carrier oils. And the first carrier oil is Jamaican black castor oil.
Now, Jamaican black castor is a heavy oil, but everybody knows it makes your hair thicker and longer.
Jamaican black castor oil conditions the hair, it reduces split ends, and it actually treats your dandruff.
It also has antibacterial and antifungal properties which help to fight scalp infections. Now, the omega-6 and omega-9 fatty acids that are found in Jamaican black castor oil help to boost hair growth, to improve blood flow through the scalp, and helps also nourish the hair.
So the next carrier oil in this hair growth oil mix is extra virgin olive oil. Now you can find this right in your cupboard. Everybody everybody must have this in their house somewhere.
Now olive oil is great for cooking, it's great for skin, but it's amazing for your hair. It really helps to boost hair growth, and it also reduces the buildup of sebum, and everyone knows excessive sebum in your hair can hinder hair growth.
Olive oil is rich in vitamins K and E, which help to reduce excess dandruff and makes the hair shiny and healthy.
Olive oil is also great for getting rid of dandruff and itchiness, and it also can be used as a great conditioner for your hair.
So the next carrier oil in this hair growth oil mix is sweet almond oil.
So the main difference between almond oil and sweet almond oil is where they are extracted from in the plant, and sweet almond oil is known to be of better quality.
Sweet almond oil is actually high in vitamins A, B, D and E, which restore luster and shine to dull hair.
Sweet almond oil strengthens the hair and reduces hair loss. It also contains lubricating properties which help to stop hair breakage.
Sweet almond oil, just like olive oil, helps the hair to stop dryness and dandruff or any kind of itchiness, any kind of scalp problems.
And lastly, sweet almond oil is known to stop split ends. It in turn helps with length retention, because as you know, when you're actually able to stop your ends from splitting up, you're able to retain length.
So the very last carrier oil in this hair growth oil mix is avocado oil. As you guys know, we used to use coconut oil a lot, but a lot of you have always asked for a substitute, and the best substitute is avocado oil. Now we are hooked on avocado oil and we are using it in this hair growth oil mix.
Now we love avocado oil because it's versatile, it's lightweight, and it really helps to add moisture and strengthens the hair.
Avocado oil actually also helps with your scalp infections like your dryness, your dandruff and psoriasis.
Yes.
Avocado oil actually protects your hair from UV radiation. So if your hair is actually getting affected by the sunlight and it's somewhat turning off color, avocado oil is perfect for that.
Avocado oil contains great vitamins like vitamin A, D and E, which help to boost hair growth.
So avocado oil is actually rich in oleic acids and monosaturated fats, and these properties actually help it to penetrate the hair shaft and actually moisturize the hair rather than sitting on top of it like most oils do.
So now we're moving on to the essential oils that we use in this hair growth oil mix, and there are just two. So our first essential oil is rosemary oil.
As this is an Ayurvedic hair growth oil, it is best to use any of your ingredients in the most natural form. So if you have any rosemary plant leaves, those would even be better than the essential oils as it is more natural. So if you have the leaves, please go ahead and use that.
Now a benefit of rosemary oil is that it has anti-inflammatory properties. It promotes nerve growth in the scalp, which helps to restore hair growth.
Rosemary oil also improves blood circulation, which in turn stops hair follicles from being starved of blood supply and dying off.
Now the last essential oil we'll be using, and this is the final oil we'll be using in our Ayurvedic hair growth oil mix, is peppermint oil.
The menthol in peppermint oil is actually known to improve blood flow in the scalp.
And this is actually a good thing because many instances of hair loss is due to starvation of blood supply in the scalp.
So the increased circulation of blood supply from peppermint oil could actually lead to hair growth.
When peppermint oil is used, it has a tingling sensation to the scalp. This shows you that it's improving blood flow through the scalp.
It also improves scalp health. It also fights off scalp infections like dryness of the scalp and dandruff. So guys, these are all the ingredients for our Ayurvedic hair growth oil. If you would like us to actually make this oil in a DIY style, showing you step by step and all the measurements, please leave a comment down below or try and leave a thumbs up for us. We are trying to get to 500 thumbs up.
500 likes, guys.
500 likes and we will film this. This Ayurvedic hair growth oil mix is perfect for you if you're experiencing any thinning, any hair fall, any kind of loss of hair on the front of your scalp.
Yeah.
If your hair is breaking off, if your hair is shedding a lot,
if you're even having dandruff.
If you're having dandruff, dry and brittle hair, a lot of these properties like the Chebe, like the Neem, the Amla, these are herbal remedies to really grow your hair back and give it life and give it thickness and volume that it needs. Guys, this is the latest video in our Ayurvedic hair growth series. If you still want us to keep going with this series, please also leave a comment in the comment section down below.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I will see you in our next one.
Bye!